least never dared.
Please not be died.
Never dared to you too.
Dory, maybe you can answer me this.
Yes.
Why doesn't Dory, of all the social medias, not follow me on any platform?
Dory personally?
Everyone.
Oh, you mean just the Abby? You don't care about the Dory.
Everyone.
I don't know. We'll see.
How was the show?
Good. It was funny.
Yeah. I saw the new queen that was dancing with Vicky. The little
Barbie?
No, the little animal.
Oh, nice.
I told Missy, can you book her for your show next? I'm like, I think she's expensive. New queen?
Oh, because I just sent it to Misty and them. Where are they? Where is she? She's there.
A wonderful start to the morning.
Look out. All right.
The birds are chirping a sweet little song. Good morning, Mr. Birdie, thanks for singing along.
No worries.
What a fine day, I might have myself a cappuccino.
Go on.
Just both looked and we're just like, okay. It literally was like a, okay, and then that was
It's not my fault.
It is all of her fault. Y'all heard it here. Right
Heard
now.
it here? You heard it here.
You heard it here at, what is this, 2:07 on January 5th, 2018, that DORI Chronicles, Dory Scotty.
Scott. But yeah,
My
Scotty.
bad.
No,
Dory.
Scotty. That
Dory
Dory.
came up with the idea for me to have a baby with my best friend. Thank you, Dory. We really appreciate
Here's his best friend, so
That
good luck
is
to
not- No, I don't think he can carry it. You can hold
You
it.
can carry your baby. You can carry the baby,
You can
right?
hold it. You
See?
can't carry it.
See?
There's a difference.
He held it too and carried it. I carry a baby. You carried a
Yeah,
baby.
cute kids, but nah.
I have a brother that's
See, he carried his brother.
Yeah, see, I've got a younger brother that's 17 years younger than me.
See, you had your brother. You carried your brother at 17.
I held him. I did not carry him. Yeah,
Are you subscribed? Why not? Down below. Click. Stay in the madness.
The 50 years.
You should. This is a good one. Sorry.
That was really wimpy. Backflip. Oh. Do you have insurance for that? It's ready? Or is it sturdy? By the way, have you subscribed? You have not? click below on that bell. Stay in tune. Get annoyed by my Crapzilla. Like my Crapzilla. I love you just watching my Crapzilla. So thank you. And yeah.